T55 Braga ka umnati.
Umnati Chaka.
Ah, tla ke tla me go bitse Braga, tla me itse champ. Champ
Champ.
2025-2026 season.
The champ is here.
The champ is here.
Before ngicela ukukhuluma, ngicela ukhuza lokho comment section. Ngoba ngiyazi uzongibuza ukuthi ushaya kanjani i-squad ngekipisi le Adidas.
Uthe masibini league uzosiveza. Akasiveze.
Samlindile umyekela.
League baba siveze.
Samlindile ngiyeza lapho.
No. Ubuse uyadura but no face no case.
Mara usephisile.
No face no case awuthiyama. Angisho bengifuna ukuthi yangithola kube nevavavuma. Ngisakutshela ngithi umuntu uzongibuza ukuthi ushaya kanjani i-squad nekipisi la Adidas. Ngithi mina ngifana nalabo bahamba bayehlala kwi-VIP bagcoke ikokoro. So this is my identity Brian ngithola. Namuhla angishanga iregali yami bara ngithe ngithi ngizo celebrate amajita ngithola. Back to the game mfethu. Orlando Pirates has made history. I've been telling people ukuthi le league lesoyithatha mfethu and as far as ithethe. But expecting Orlando Pirates to take the league is like expecting a man to give birth. So this season amadoda azozala abantwana ngisho nabathu njalo
basho njalo
yeah so zala manje
abana basho njalo
amakhosi vele namasanda wana yangithola but I cannot talk about Orlando Pirates because there's no point. So khona manje all people they have points to talk about Orlando Pirates
even
yangithola but imagine Sibisi lifting the trophy so khona manje imaginary seyiphelile amaphupho sekaphelile manje
if Orlando Pirates
bambonile
uzo driver from lana kuyevenda ngereverse
bayathusela labo so we have made history mfowethu the first team in South African football history ukuthatha ama-3 3 seasons ngokulandelana that's Orlando Pirates phela the first team in history yokuwina Betway ngabantu abakhulu sithathe ne-TTC abafana bethu bathatha i-TTC abafowethu abakhulu bathathe i-Betway. First time in history. Azange yenzakala lento leyo. The first team goalkeeper ukuthi aba 21 clean sheet. Ama history la ufethu.
Sipho China.
Coachara Wadu first season 30 league.
And it's a coach of the season.
Uzibiza into lezo mfethu. History after so history. Each and everybody is making their own history. We are as Orlando Pirates we are making our own history. It's been a long time coming mfethu. Baloko basihleka bathi ye number 2 njani number 2 namanje kunjani manje kunjani makunjeni malume shuta malume
makhelwane
bona bathi yesi Arsenal ya vela si Arsenal
and Arsenal winning league
yakuthola Arsenal abroad Arsenal ekhasi
winning league
bona sayitapeta lento lena mfowethu
domination kuphela
player of the season for me now Mufokeng what a player. No police with Babeka by two so. And then we are going to make history foot. Len ibekela phambili. Manje yazi ngenzani ngikupha i-future.
Yeah.
Yangizo ukuthi ngithi ngikupha i-future.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates you make a history. This season never yenza ama awards. Orlando Pirates sophuma so. Coachara goal of the season, player of the season, wara Orlando Pirates.
Goalkeeper, defender.
Ngifuna ukuthi khona manje uyabona namuhla ngibeka ngikutshala i-future ngama awards
we PSL this season
mfowethu I'm very hateful Orlando Pirates mina ngikhuluma kakhulu brand ngikhuluma kakhulu ene ibona iOrlando Pirates ngiyayimela so namuhla ukuthi ngithathanga angazi ukuthi ngiyolala kuphi angazi ukuthi ngiyolala phela laba bafana bathi one goal ngakhumula iskip ngasala ngomzimba athi 2 goal ngakhumula iblue straight ground zikho baba bengikhuluma no Sis Jessica ngibafuni bathi bakhona la
bebakhona la
ngiphethe i-trophy labo umkoko
lo
uzenawo la this season umkoko that's the only thing that you are going to get nina bola mthuthu Sandawana take nothing away from them very good team the best team after Orlando Pirates is the first one Sundowns is the move Chiefs asibali le the only two teams that matter in South African football Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. Honestly speaking so take nothing away from them They've given us a good competition. They've made the South African football to be much amazing. They've lifted the standards of South African football. I thank them for that. Young tomorrow, abayodlala. Ama result aphumayo whether bayasithatha Star or abasithatha nginandaba. Mara never ngasithatha. Congratulations to them.
Yeah.
You know why ngithi njalo? They give us as Orlando Pirates motivation to go for the second star,
yeah.
because you know we get motivated into ezihle yangithola umuntu makayenza kahle samjabulela, and then we learn and then we take and then yangithola
take notes
ukuthi umuntu makayenza kahle wena ubheka ama negative kuphela
ubhizi lokubheka lana
ola mthuthu. The only thing sabafundisa ukuthi senza kanjani ababoni, they're only looking focusing in kuma negativity yangithola. Umfukeng, the great player, a police, great player, Sibelevele, Mbatha, Makehleni, Unduli, Bengnayi. Atumnandi no. I'm sure next season Zabakon. So, Mahopa, guys, I love you guys. Mara angsi, ngithanda le polo. Ningathi ningethathi
udlalele ngithi.
So, once and always, ibhola so supporta kuze kuyovalwa, whether ilanga lashona whether laphuma or lenzani, we are going to support soccer. We are going to support Orlando Pirates. Siya ku World Cup. Wonke ama player abazobathatha ku World Cup ngicela ukuthi siwasupporteni. Whether bathatha ubani, whether bathatha ubani, it doesn't matter. We are going to be rallying behind the boys as a one nation. Young Chol. That's my final message. Big ups to the supporters of Orlando Pirates.
They deserve an award for them.
Bona my brother.
Yeah.
This season is 30 games. The Orlando Pirates quality stadium guy 15.
That's half a season.
Half a season, young.
Nice.
We deserve a round of applause.
A round of applause, actually.
Young Chol.
Thank you, my member. Thank you, Sabo.
Ngevala.
Thank you, member.
Thank you very much.